Hey everyone, welcome back to M&MM PTE NAATI YouTube channel. This is Manmohit. Now in today's video, I am going to share with you all another set of important collocations for the PTE exam. So collocations means two words that frequently occur together. There is already one video on our channel. I would be putting the link for that one in the description as well. So you can watch that one and then watch this one as well, because there's another set of important words that can actually come in the exam. So again, the same format. Put on your headphones or maybe any sort of, let's say, put it on speaker. Make sure you listen to every single set of words. If you want, you can even take notes as well. But if you want, you can even, while traveling, you can listen to this video and this audio multiple times, just so that if you end up getting the same type of collocations in the exam, it will help you to recall the words because you already heard them in this particular video. Now, just before I start, if you need any sort of one-on-one support with us, me or Mohit, could be for PTE or could be for NAATI exam, NAATI Hindi, Punjabi or Gujarati. We do run 30 minutes and 1 hour one-on-one consultations live online with you guys. If you need any sort of help in, any sort of additional help and support with us, either 30 minutes or 1 hour, depending on how many doubts you have, all those kind of things, you can get in touch with us on Instagram and Facebook, either one of them. Just search for M&MMPT NAATI, or the links would be there in the description as well. If you need to do a speaking test in front of us, a speaking test, and then get a feedback for that, that can also be organized. If you have any sort of doubts in any topics, we can discuss that. If you have given a full mock test and you want to get it evaluated, you can do that. Anything and everything is possible. If you just want to speak with us and discuss any sort of questions you may have, you can also do that. Like I said, the name would be M&MMPT NAATI. So without wasting any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Plug in your headphones and let's listen all the words together. All right, speaking out the words now. Alternative means annual meeting, annual rate, appropriate conflict, appropriate treatment, basic information, basic function, binary system, biological evolution, capitalist world, broad spectrum, broad range, central concept, carry research, carry information, change rapidly, clearly important, common approach, complex interaction, consider a possibility. Make sure consider a possibility. Constant rate, constant elements, contemporary issue, core skills, create an impression. Again, create an impression. Critical evaluation, crucial role, draw attention, electronic version, entire range, established consideration, experimental conditions, feminist movement, firmly established, general trend, global perspective, great proportion, high probability, historical evidence, identify factors, improved performance, increasing proportion, individual characteristics, legal requirement, make aware, minimum standard, natural language, original meaning, peace treaty, physical appearance, political consideration, political consequences, political stability, primary focus, professional qualification, quantitative approach, radical critique, receive feedback, ruling party, preliminary findings, past research, normal development, main argument, industrial society or industrial country, government policy, gender approach, further evidence, general argument, fundamental assumption, frequently cited, and one more, financial management. So these were some of the most important collocation words that I wanted to share in this particular video and audio. These are the ones that students have actually got in the real exam because they got these blanks. So collecting the data from that, also from the prediction files for PTE, these are the most important and common words that they have been testing nowadays. So do watch this video and audio again and again. Also do practice fill in the blank reading, fill in the blanks reading and writing a lot, but then alongside do watch this one as well, just so while you're on the way, traveling, all these kind of things, you can utilize that time to be in a productive zone. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any sort of questions, feel free to put them down in the comment section below. And like I said, if you need any one-on-one support with us, you can get in touch with us on Instagram or Facebook and we can discuss everything over there. With that, I'll take your leave. If you have your exams coming soon, all the very best. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all in the next one.